Hello guys, if you are trying to take your opponent down, the first thing you should do is go to the view moves menu and then open the takedown section. Here you will be able to see all of the takedowns available for your fighter. The takedowns you have will depend on your fighter's style, whether they are a wrestler, jiu-jitsu specialist, judoka or another type of fighter. You'll also see the button inputs listed right next to each move. For example, if your fighter has a wrestling double leg takedown, it will show you the exact button combination you need to press. On PlayStation, it could be something like L2 plus cross plus square, and if you are playing on Xbox, the corresponding Xbox buttons will be shown in the same menu. Some fighters will have wrestling double legs, single legs, headlock, hip tosses, and other takedowns variations, so make sure to check which ones are available before your fight. Once you know the inputs, use them during the fight to attempt the takedown. Keep in mind that your opponent can defend takedowns, so they won't work every single time. Timing is one of the most important things when going for a takedown. If you keep shooting for them over and over again, your opponent will start expecting them and defend them much more easily. It's usually better to mix them in with your striking and catch your opponent off guard. Some successful takedowns can also lead directly into advantageous positions on the ground. Depending on the situation, you may be able to transition into a submission attempt or stay in position and start landing ground and pound strikes. The best way to improve is simply to practice the different takedowns available for your fighter, learn their button combinations from the view moves menu, and use them at the right moment during a fight. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.